What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is 8:30 right now. Yes, I started my day a little bit late today, but started it nonetheless. I like to come to the terrace, get a few steps in. It really helps me get in the 10,000 steps that I need to get during the day. Abhi main fat loss phase mein hu, and that really helps me to get in the steps. And being in a fat loss phase, मेरे को उसके साथ बहुत consistent रहना होगा. And I have also seen a lot of progress in the last few months, which is why I'm starting this series again. I want to talk to you guys about commitment and consistency and why I didn't follow up with my vlogs when I started. But yeah, it's a beautiful day and I like to start my day like this because I hate starting it on the laptop. Personal training sessions 6:30 बजे से start होते हैं sometimes, and right now the sessions are a little bit less. I'm trying to work on my online coaching model that will give me more freedom to make these videos, make content that will really help you guys, and that is the aim, and I will speak to you guys about that at the end of this video. I just want to show you my day today, and yep, let's go. 94.0 is probably the lowest I've hit in maybe a week now. Progress hua hai bhai. You can only understand how much motivation, actually discipline, that I need to get up from my bloody bedroom and come and work out right here every single day for the last 1 month. A lot of the days I don't feel like doing it, but motivation पे भरोसा करोगे तो you'll be on the bed only. ठीक है? Be disciplined and I'm sure you'll get a lot more done. And I think this discipline is the only reason I have been able to come back in front of the camera again and restart this transformation series. I've made a lot of progress since I started. जब मैंने पहला वीडियो निकाला था, which is probably like 5-6 months ago, and that's one of the reasons I'm excited to show you this journey, show you what I've done, show you what I'm going to be doing, because progress तो किया है मैंने, but there's so much more to be done, and I know for the fact that मैंने पहले किया है, I'm going to be doing it again, so I want to document it on the camera and show it to you guys, but prove it to myself as well. I want to do it for myself so that I can see it in the future and see what I've done. That is the only reason I want to document it. But for now, I'm going to eat, get in a workout, and take you through it. Yes, I'm in a fat loss phase, and yes, I'm having cereal. I have cereal almost every day. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, and who doesn't like cereal यार? And yes, it's possible to do this. That's why again I want to document my series. I want to show you guys क्या खाता hूँ, कैसे कर रहा हूँ, what are my workouts, what I'm doing throughout the day. I hope you can learn something from this and implement it in your life also. This is the first weird thing that you're probably seeing. Eating cereal while I'm losing weight. बहुत लोग नहीं करते हैं. They feel scared that if I eat sugar, I'm going to gain fat and this and that. You're going to learn a lot of things in this transformation series. I can guarantee you that. The world champions, France. And this is what it's all about here, guys. And so much of intensity. This is I'm seeing this pre-workout. इतना hype हो गया हूँ मैं that I'm ready for my workout now. I'll take you through it. Let's go. And that is my workout done for today. Good push workout. I'll probably get some more steps in the evening and get in a couple of ab exercises maybe, because I'm inconsistent with that. And I know मुझे ज़रूरत है, करना होगा. So I'll probably divide it. I don't have that much time right now, so I'll do it in the evening. I had started a YouTube series long ago, probably like 5-6 months before, maybe even 7 months. I need to go back and check. उस दिन से आज तक I've made a decent amount of progress, and that's actually motivated me to get back to this series and show you guys how I have progressed and how I'm going to progress further as well, because अभी बहुत progress बाकी भी है. So I'm not feeling so bad not having made videos before, but better late than never. And you honestly can never screw up, because if you give up is when you actually fuck up the process. Okay, otherwise you do not. If you have the courage to get back, that's all it takes. That's all you need, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to share with you तब से आज तक how much progress I've made. So yes guys, I know there's a long way to go, but progress is progress, and I know 2 months down the line, if I see this, I will get even more motivated. There's a long way to go, and I want to share this process with you guys as much as I can. What's up guys, this is the end of a simple vlog. मैं बस 2 मिनट के लिए बात करना चाहता हूँ and I want to keep it nice and intimate, personal. I got in my steps about 8,500 steps today. I think after dinner I would probably get another 1,000 steps. वो थोड़ा सा routine बन गया है मेरे लिए. But yeah, I just want to come here and talk about consistency a little bit, and in terms of not just fitness but in life in general. In terms of fitness, like pretty much everything is happening for me because मैं 7 साल से करते आ रहा हूँ, and you know, it's never been an issue for me. Even if on the days I don't feel like doing it, it's not motivation that drives me. It's actually my discipline that ensures that I am, you know, committed and consistent with what I do in terms of fitness. But you know, in terms of YouTube for example, मैं इतना consistent नहीं रहा हूँ. It's not regret exactly, but I feel like the kind of progress I made without documenting it is something that pinches me, because मैंने start किया था about 8 months पहले. In that video I remember saying that I wanted to document my entire journey, but हुआ नहीं, and I followed up with my fitness goals, and I have lost a decent amount of weight since then, and I've put on a decent amount of muscle as well. Progress हुआ है, but I've not been able to document it, and that's something I wanted to document. I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to share it with myself because I can then go back and see all those videos again, see what mistakes I've made, see how far I've come. 2 दिन पहले मैं actually अपने पहले के videos देख रहा था. About 6 years ago, when I was training in Manchester, I was not even half my size that I am right now, and I was, you know, pushing less than half the weight that I'm pushing right now. जब मैं अभी walk के लिए करता हूँ, वहाँ पे मैं चिल्ला के कर रहा था. I'll try to share a few clips with you guys as well, and just seeing that motivates me, man, like crazy. Like it, you know, lights a fire up inside and makes me want to just make even more progress, even more determined in my goal, and just to see how far you've come, man. And this goes for everyone. Like, you know, if you can document it in any way possible, खुद के videos दो gym में and try to, you know, assess your form, technique, and just improve from there. It makes a lot of difference, and it is something that you will learn from. अगर आपके पास कोच है या नहीं है, तभी भी आप वीडियोस लो, अपने आप को असेस करो एंड देखो कहाँ पे हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव. आई फील इट्स समथिंग दैट वी ऑल शुड बी डूइंग, बिकॉज यू आर नेवर perfect. There's always something you can improve. Even 7-8 years down the line, I still improve my squat, I still improve my deadlift, I still improve so many other things. I don't even think, I feel like I'm just getting started. Yeah, just that you can still push yourself so much, you can still achieve so much more, and which is why I have actually named this series Do More, and I want to stick with it and consider this as a comeback. I want to be able to document as much as I can and share as much as I can with you guys, just with such personal talks and such talks that can probably help you guys in your fitness journey as well. That's what I'm here for. If nothing, I'm going to see these videos back again and get motivated by it, and if my clients, myself, and some of you guys can see it and get motivated by it, that's my job done here. I'm going to ensure I get at least probably 1 vlog a week, if not more. Lockdown abhi khatam hone wala hai, and from I think day after tomorrow, my videographer will also be coming to help me with my videos. Nice guy, he does a lot of good work. I'm going to tag his channel below as well, you can check him out. And yeah, that's the end of this vlog. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe, keep making those gains, and I'll see you in the next vlog.